Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access App Gallery and install your new default app. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away and click on Apps section after scrolling down. Over here, select Default Apps and click on one of those sections. I downloaded browser apps, I need to click over here, select Bing in order to set it up, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!